Hello everyone, this is Arun. Um, I'm going to talk about process mining and how it can be used to improve the process conformance for any RPA projects. Let's imagine a scenario where there are different RPA bots operating in different spaces and and they are able to communicate their operation logs. For instance, from my previous example, I have used WorkFusion UiPath. Let's imagine that WorkFusion control tower and the UiPath orchestrator share the event logs to the central repository, and there are tools which can reconstruct process from these event logs. So why I'm doing it now is uh, as RPA is scaling, there may be hundreds of bots which might be in operation in future, and manually updating and analyzing those processes would be close to impossible. So let's imagine this futuristic scenario and get into the demo. I've used my AWS environment for this demo and the UiPath bot to automate this process analysis process. Okay, let me kickstart the bot. I've used Disco, which is a process mining tool, to demonstrate the scenario I'm going to show today. As you see, the bot is trying to open the event logs from my previous process execution, and when you look at the event logs, there are like 4 important uh, tabs. One is a case ID, activity, start date, end date, and resource. In the activity, I've also mentioned which bot is executing a particular activity, and this event log is a consolidation of both UiPath and the WorkFusion bot of executing a single process. Let's say continue, and now the bot is trying to reconstruct the process, and let me zoom in so that everyone can look at the process. As you see, the UI WorkFusion bot kickstarts the process by logging into the SurveyMonkey. It finds the link and copies the survey link. And there is an exception which happened here, which just failed to copy the link, and the process stops there. So that's one path. Second one is the normal happy path has a logout, and now the UiPath bot reads the email of the survey, copies the survey link, opens the survey, and tries to fill the survey. This is a happy path. And there is also an exception part where the UiPath bot was not able to fill in the survey. Okay, this gives a good overview of what has happened during the bot execution. Okay, let's continue. The last thing what this process analysis bot is trying to do is to find which steps in the process consume most amount of the time. As you see, the ones which are marked in red are the ones which needs to be looked into, and opening the survey and filling it is where a lot of time is spent. Okay, so these logs can be shared with the process owners of this RPA tools in different areas, and it can be used to improve their performance. So what I've tried to show today is the futuristic scenario when hundreds of bots are in play, and it would be near to impossible for manual intervention to improve the process. And in future, let's say in 5 years, the process analysis bots might be deployed, which can communicate across bot environments and collect these event logs to do the process analysis. So this is what I wanted to show today, and I would like to uh, get your feedback on what I've done. So as always, please feel free to let me know what you think about this demo. So thanks for your time. Thank you.